Hi friends, in this video I will be showing you some interesting techniques with respect to the multiplication. I will be showing you some easy way of multiplication with respect to some particular numbers and how to do multiply the numbers, when to multiply the numbers fastly. I will be teach you. These multiplications we can do in and write in within a 2 seconds of time. I will teach you the technique. Just you can observe here how we are doing to supposed to calculate within a seconds of time. You can observe here. So this technique applicable for only sum of the ones place is 10 and the tens digits should be equal. Then only this technique should be applicable. So now we are going to here some problems are there. See, first problem is 24 into 26. Here sum of the ones place numbers 4 plus 6 is 10 and tens digits are equal. See here 2 and 2 should be equal. So now let us start. First multiply the last two digits. What are the last two digits here? 4 and 6. Multiply last two digits 4 and 6. 4 6 are 24. Right here and here 2 is there. What will do? Multiply 2 with next number. What is the next number of 2? 2 into next number of 2 is 3. So multiply 2 with 3. 2 3 is 6. So this is our answer. And next problem is, what is the first step? Multiply the last two digits. Last two digits are what? 8 and 2. 8 2 is 16 and multiply this 3 with next number. What is the next number of 3? 4. So multiply 3 with 4. 3 4 is 12. Right? 12 here. So what is the answer? 1216. Next one, 67 into 63. Here also what we will do? Multiply the last two digits. 7 into 3, 7 3 is 21 and what we will do? Multiply 6 into 7, 6 7 is 42. And the next problem is 45 into 45. So here 45 into 45. Multiply last two digits. So 5 into 5 is 25. And the what we have to do? Next step is multiply this 4 with next number. 4 5 is 20. 2025 is the answer. Next 83 into 87. So the first step is multiply the last two digits. What are the last two digits here? 3 and 7. Multiply 3 7s 21. Write last two digit number. Next step is multiplication of 8 with next number. What is the next number of 8? 9. So multiply 8 with 9. 8 9 72. 7221 is the answer. So these are the some problems. These problems if you can practice, you can do within a seconds of time without using pen and paper. You have to do these sums, but this technique will be applicable for only sum of the ones place is 10 and tens digits should be equal. Then only this technique should be applicable. And I will be showing you one more interesting technique with respect to the multiplication. So even these numbers also can be done within a 2 seconds of time. Simple logic you can observe here, but before I told sum of the units place should be 10 and tens place and unit digits should be equal. You can observe here carefully. Simple logic. So here the technique is, first multiply the last two digits. 6 6 35 36. You can write 36 as the last two digit number. Next multiply the, here the technique is multiply the last two digits. What are the last two digits here? 6 and 6. 6 6 is 36. Write the answer of the last two digits. So write the 36 here and next multiply the tens numbers. Tens place digits. 7 3 is 21. What is the 7 3 is 21 and add these 21 with ones digit number. What is the ones digit number here? 6. 21 plus 6 is, we will say 21 plus 6 is 23. 7. So the answer is nothing but 2736 will be the answer. Now let us go to the second problem. Here also multiply the last two digits. 7 sevens 49. 49 you can write as the answer of the last two digit number, and multiply the ones tens place numbers. 4 6 24. These 24 you can add with the ones place number. What is the ones place number here? 7. 24 plus 11 is, we can say, 31. The answer is nothing but 3149. So next problem, multiply last 9 nines 81 and multiply these tens numbers. 3 sevens 21. These you can add with ones place number. 9. 21 plus 9 is nothing but 30. Answer is 3081. Next one, 85 into 25. Here also same technique. 5 5s 25 and multiply 8 to 16. These 16 we can add with 5. 16 plus 5 is 21. Next, last problem. What is the first step? First step is multiply the last two digit numbers. 3 3s 9. But here you can take as the two digit number. That's why we have to write 0 9. Next, multiply the tens place number. 6 4s 24. These you can add with the ones place number. 24 plus 3 is nothing but 27. So the answer we will say 2709 is the answer. This is the simple technique. This is the simple technique. So this is the simple technique. What we will be doing here, first you can multiply the last digit numbers. 6 and 6 36. Write the last two digit answer, and next multiply the tens place numbers. 21. These you can add with ones place digit. Now you will get the answer. So if you can follow these techniques, you can get the answer within a 2 seconds without using pen and paper. You can do this. Hope this video will be useful for you. If you want to these type of techniques, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.